Speedtest June 2023. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 2nd, 2023, the first Friday of the month. I've always a speed test. A speed test with the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy with the regular Sudokus. And in this newspaper, in the daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with these 2 puzzles. Yes, it's a speed test. And the first one will be number 6525. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 33 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the Sudoku in the additional with 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a Sudoku Light. Already 1 minute and 45 minutes passed, so let's get started with the speed test without comments, without instruction. So let's get started. 1 1. We have 1 there, so here should be a 1 1 1. 4, the 8, the 1 here, the 1 there, 3 3 3, 3 3 3 3 3 3, but the 2 2 2, 4 4 4 4 4, and the 2 4 4 8 4 4 4, need a 4 there, 6 5, and then 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9, and the 5. 9 9 3 2, about here 5, and the 7 5, and the 7. 7 5 5 5 5 5 6 9 5 9 5 9 2, no, 4, and the 8, 2, and the 9 9 9 9 9. Oh, made a mistake. 9 9. Oh, we already have a 9 here. Come on. It's not correct. We already have a 9 here. This is not good. Not good. This is also not good. So we have a 9 there. 9 9 9 9 9 here. 9 9 9. Wait, we have a 9 here, 9 there. This should be the 9. 8. Come on. 7, and the 6. We have a 6 here. This should be the 7. 7 with the 6. 5 and a 9. 5, 9 and the 2. It should be a 2. 5 and a 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 2, 8, 7, 7, 2, 2, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. But I need a 4 there also. 4, 4, need a 4 here. What is... double 5 here. Not good, not good, not good. This should be 1. Made a mistake. This should be the 5. This should be the 4 then. But I need a 4 here. I think this should be the 4. 4 and the 2, but this 2 is not correct then. 5 and the 9, no, 5 and the 8. Need a 5 here. This should be the 7. 1 box left. This should be the 8. 8. Here should be the 8. And this should be the 2 and the 6. This should be the 2 and the 4. 7 minutes. Minus 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. Well. 5 minutes. Let me check if this is correct because I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. 5 minutes. Well, could be faster because I've made an error. Anyway, we solve it again. I hope you enjoy the puzzle. Well, I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.